Puff, how many weeks of wear can a roller set last me? I'm going for 3 weeks per unit. How about you?
It is a chilly day in Florida. I made a skit about Florida and how it gets cold. It got cold last week and we couldn't handle the truth because we're Floridians.
Hello? Man, I'm in the house. Where else am I supposed to be? But do you know how cold it is in Florida? Man, bro, I'm not going nowhere. Y'all already got police on the way. Man, listen. Hey, I'm in the house.
And I thought it was cold last week, but this week, this morning, and I'm going to insert it in this video somewhere, a photo of the picture that I took in the car with the temperature that said 33 degrees. So yes, it does get cold in Florida. We saw frost on the grass this morning. We couldn't believe it. But you know, that's one of the reasons we moved to Florida, is to kind of get away from the snowfall and blizzards and that sort of thing. But people that live up north say, you know, we don't want to live down south because of the hurricanes and the tornadoes. So it's kind of like a catch-22. But definitely, if you are living in Florida this week, stay warm as much as possible. Most of us don't own any parkas or anything like that, any bubble coats. But for this week, get something, layer up as much as you can. So today's video, I wanted to show what it looks like when a roller set falls. So if you see my previous videos, I'll link them in the description box if you're watching this on YouTube. The roller set, I did a spiral curl. We use the red rollers and we use our tan rollers and we use sliding clips. So these clips actually slide all the way to the edge of the roller. So that way you can get more rollers in, more secure, and have a better outcome of your roller set. So this is what happens after a week or so, because you could have went possibly 2 weeks with this roller set if you are not in any kind of humidity or water, or you're not sweating or exercising somebody. And you can actually take a brush and brush this and let more of the body kick in. So you can do that with the roller set. You don't have to keep it curls if you want, or you can take a big tooth comb and you can comb it out or brush it out. So I have my little headband in, got my little curls at the front. I have a bang on this unit. So yes, you can wear your roller sets and have that look 1 week, and then the next week you can have like the loose body wave curls, the beach curls as they call them. And then next week or the week after, you can actually just have the straight look. The curls are going to naturally fall into place. Now, I do want to say I do not sleep in this unit. If you sleep in the unit, then yes, please use some flexi rods or something to keep the curls up, or pin all the hair up at the top and wear a silk ball in it, and then that way you can sleep in your unit. But me personally, I don't sleep in my units. That's why they last for years and years and years, because I take care of them. And you are able to, and that's another thing. If you have an old unit, I'm talking this a year old, 2 years old, and you're flat ironing, you know that with the human hair wigs and the human hair blend wigs, that heat of flat ironing all the time is going to cause damage to the hair. So the best way to revive an older unit is a roller set, because the roller set, you're going to be using setting lotion, you're going to roll it up tight, and I have video links below in the description box if you're watching this on YouTube, and you're going to be able to get deep down into there, and you're going to be able to have it looking brand new, because these units are years old. These are not new units. This is definitely not a new unit. This is, ooh, I won't say how old it is, but it is an old unit. So you can bring your old units back to life with a roller set. So definitely look into that if you want. If not, that's okay too. But definitely as another option, you can do a roller set. And a roller set is good also if you can't get to the salon. Because, you know, if you go to the salon, you get your hair blown out, you get it curled or wrapped or that sort of thing. It might take a while before you get back to the salon. So it's a good option to roller set with either, you know, plastic rollers, flexi rods. They have mesh rollers if you don't like sleeping on hard rollers. So they have different options for that. But definitely check it out, because I love it. No maintenance. I haven't picked up a flat iron in weeks and don't plan to pick up one for the next couple of weeks. I'm trying to make it all the way to Valentine's Day without any kind of flat iron. So I'll keep you posted on this particular unit. Now, I am running a giveaway. Now, I've run it for a couple of weeks now. I've notified winners via email. Maybe they're not getting the email, or my email, something going on my end. Please let me know if you're not getting the emails, because I need you to respond via email. And I need you to send your address so that I can send you your. Now, if you do not want to enter into a giveaway, that is perfectly fine. If you want to shop with us, you can go to www.krwbin.com, and I'll have direct links in the description box. If you are watching me on, say, TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, I'll put links maybe in the comment section. But you are welcome to go to the description box, which is usually at the top of the page, and you can click join KRWBIN. It'll take you to a entry page where you put your name and your email and your phone number, and you consent to us having your information. And then once you submit, it will take you to the website. So you're welcome to shop there. I've added mystery boxes to our website. We have a small mystery box for $20, and we have a large mystery box for $40. And the mystery box will include hair products, maybe equipment. So it's a mystery. You'll be surprised once you receive your package in the mail. But you're welcome to shop our mystery boxes on www.krwbin.com. I am a licensed cosmetologist, a published author. So you will be getting a good amount of product in your mystery boxes. You will not be getting junk. If you do crochets, you may be getting crochet hair. If you do braids, you may be getting braiding hair. If you do sew-in weaves or glue-in weaves, you may be getting track hair. So it's a mystery, but I have plenty of product to supply. So you can check that out at www.krwbin.com, and you can purchase that. We have the small for $20. We have lashes. We have all sorts of things. So you can purchase the small for $20 or the large for $40. So thank you for joining us, and welcome to KRWBIN. Bye-bye, and stay warm if you're in Florida this week. Bye-bye.